Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and welcome to Likee's Online Creator Academy. So today we'll be talking about how to make dance videos on Likee. Number 1. Background. A nice background will make your video look more pleasing. The background should be clean, tidy, with no junk or obstacles on the way of recording. It should be even better if you were to choose a well-known scenery as a background, such as a famous attraction, seaside, streets, or places with graffiti. Here are a few examples.
दो लफ्ज की है बातें कही है क्यों दरमियां फिर रुकी रुकी कह भी ना पाए रह भी ना पाए क्यों बेवजह है ये बेबसी
More classical, you can choose a temple as a background. Now talking about the composition. These grid lines. The two horizontal grid lines divide the screen into 3 parts and the two vertical grid lines divide the screen into 3 parts. These grid lines intersect at 4 points. Try to keep your subject either in the center or these intersection points. To use the grid lines, make sure your phone's camera has it turned on. Here is a demo of how you can use the grid lines as a reference.
Just realize I got a feeling, but I don't know why. I hate you when I just realize I got a feeling, but I don't know why.
On top of all this, be creative with your angles. Music. A good background music always puts the soul to your dance videos. Learn to use the music with good rhythm or beat to resonate your viewers with the performance. Stay up to date with the trending songs and music and never fail to express through your moves. Let's talk about how to check the creator rankings. As you can see, you can go to the search box and tap on the creator ranking and then choose dance as the category. You can see the top dance creators all across India and the data updates every day at 10 AM. Now it's time for some questions. What is the Red Academic Cap? Well, the Red Academic Cap is the badge that we would offer if you take part in the hashtag activities from the Creator Academy. What time do you come live on Likee? I come live every Friday at 4 PM from the Likee Live Visuals account. You can go check more tutorial videos live with me. You can interact with me live. Just log into Likee and follow up every Friday at 4 PM. That's it for today. Until then, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. And I'm Saurabh. I'll see you guys in the next video.